Hello friends, Vishal here. Today I am going to give you a tour of a very small mini vlog of a city square place here in Vancouver. It is one of the most beautiful places here in Vancouver. Have a look.
One great place to visit in City Square Shopping Center is near the SkyTrain station at Broadway City Hall station in Vancouver. It is a convenient and friendly shopping area where people can find restaurants, grocery stores, and different services. Because it is close to the metro station, it is very easy for people to stop by, shop, and enjoy food from different cultures.
So friends, this is the City Square Mall here in Vancouver. It is really cool mall and we have gyms and lot of coffee shops and lot of grocery items, everything available here.
City Square Shopping Center in Vancouver is known for its small local businesses and cozy cafes, making it a nice place to relax, grab a coffee, and take a break from the busy city.
See friends, this place, City Square, it looks so magical. See, here if you can see, it looks like a castle here. All the building, the architecture and everything here looks really amazing. And especially the Vancouver. See the Canadian flag right there. Yeah. Just have a look. This place is really a breathtaking. It is mesmerizing. Even here, the air quality is so cool and clear that it feels amazing.
One interesting thing about City Square Shopping Center in Vancouver is that it was built on the site of the old Vancouver General Hospital buildings. Many of the historic brick structures were preserved and turned into shops and offices, giving the place a unique mix of history and modern businesses.
City Square Shopping Center in Vancouver is a convenient place for students and workers because it has restaurants, clinics, and small shops all in one area. Its location near Broadway City Hall station makes it easy to visit while commuting.
Yeah friends, so as you can see, this building, it looks so beautiful right here. And the best part is that the City Square Mall, that is the entrance of the mall, right there. I will show you guys there also. But before that, I will show you guys around how it looks nearby. Okay? See that side. I will show you.
One interesting fact about Vancouver is that it is considered one of the most multicultural cities in the world. More than half of the people living in Vancouver come from different cultural backgrounds and speak many different languages. This diversity is reflected in the city's food, festivals, and communities. Because of this, Vancouver is a place where people from many cultures live, work, and celebrate together, making the city vibrant and unique.
Yeah friends, so right now I am standing in the backyard of the City Square Market. See, this is so beautiful. There are so many apartments surrounded by here. See.
When people talk about interesting places in Vancouver, many think about beaches or mountains. But there is a smaller place that has its own quiet charm, City Square Shopping Center. What makes this place special is not just the shops or restaurants, it's the feeling you get when you walk through it. The buildings have beautiful brick walls and historic architecture because this area was once connected to the old Vancouver General Hospital. Instead of removing the history, the city preserved it. And today, those historic structures are filled with small businesses, cafes, and services. Another great thing about City Square is its location. It sits right near Broadway City Hall station, so it becomes a natural meeting point for people. Every day you see students, workers, doctors from the nearby hospital, and tourists walking through the area. Some people stop for coffee, some grab lunch, and others just sit outside and enjoy a quiet moment in the middle of a busy city. What I personally like about this place is that it feels different from large shopping malls. It's calmer and more personal. When you walk around, you see small local businesses instead of big crowded stores. You can smell fresh coffee from cafés, hear people talking and laughing, and feel the relaxed atmosphere. In many ways, City Square Shopping Center represents what makes Vancouver special, a mix of history, community, and everyday life. It's not the biggest attraction in the city, but sometimes the smaller places like this are the ones that truly show the heart of a city.
Hi friends, so as you have seen right now, there was a model school old building. It looks such a beautiful. Have a look.
Vancouver City Hall is an important landmark in Vancouver and is located close to Broadway City Hall Station. The building is known for its beautiful and unique architecture, with a tall clock tower that makes it easy to recognize from a distance. It is the place where the city's mayor and council work to make decisions that help improve Vancouver. The area around City Hall is also very pleasant, with green spaces and walking paths where people can relax. Because of its history, design, and importance to the city, Vancouver City Hall is a meaningful place that represents leadership and community in Vancouver.
Hi friends, so after the City Square Market, now I am here in Vancouver City Hall. It is a community garden right here. As you guys can see, the view of the mountain is so beautiful right here in Vancouver. So now I will show you guys how this area looks like. I'm just exploring new places here today, okay? Yeah.
Vancouver City Hall is one of the most important and beautiful buildings in Vancouver. It was built in 1936 and has been the center of the city's government ever since. The tall tower makes it easy to spot from far away, and the surrounding green space creates a calm and welcoming atmosphere. People come here not just for city services, but also to enjoy the historic architecture and peaceful surroundings. It represents leadership, community, and history, reminding everyone who visits of the people who work to make Vancouver a great place to live.
So friends, now here in this herb garden, see all the information of the plants are written, right? Native plants, which are the plants here, everything is mentioned. And even like Vancouver City Hall Community Garden, it is mentioned right here. So yeah, I will show you guys around.
Helena Gutierrez Plaza is a small, peaceful plaza inside Vancouver City Hall where people can relax, enjoy the greenery, and appreciate the city's history and community spirit.
Yeah friends, so right now I am in front of the Helena Gutierrez Plaza. Yeah. So for me, it is the first time I came here to this area, and I think that it is like really beautiful. The place is really good. It is close to nature. And yeah, overall I would say the vibe of the Vancouver is really great, so nothing could beat that. Yeah. And yeah, I will show you some of the cool views here.
Helena Gutierrez Plaza is a charming and peaceful spot right inside Vancouver City Hall. The plaza has green spaces, benches, and walkways where people can relax or enjoy a quiet moment. Vancouver City Hall itself, built in 1936, is a historic landmark with a tall tower that can be seen from far away. Together, the plaza and City Hall create a welcoming and inspiring space that reflects the city's history, community, and pride.
Yeah friends, so right now I am at the top of that plaza. It is a very cool place, you know. See, like people are playing hockey here. See how cool it is. The place is really good for hangouts, like people can sit here in the chair, enjoy the meal, and it is like one of very relaxing place, I would say. Yeah, definitely. And even from here, the view of the mountains are really beautiful. I will show you guys how the mountains of Vancouver looks from here. Okay, have a look. So friends, this is how Vancouver looks like from this plaza. Okay, as you can see, that place there, see, this is the downtown, Vancouver downtown area, and this is how beautiful the mountains look like here in Vancouver. See, and I think that is the stadium Chinatown. Yeah. Yeah, friends. So that is the mountain. See. Yeah. So I would definitely say that, like the whole experience here of Vancouver, and even right there's a clock. See, such a big clock. Yeah, right there. So yeah, I would say that the best thing about Vancouver is the weather of the Vancouver. Some people might say that it is rainy. Yeah, I do agree, but most of the time when it is not, it's really beautiful. And even the view here is spectacular. Let me see the view first. Yeah. See, even the houses here in Vancouver, are like very well constructed. Yeah. So for me, I think that, yeah, it is a really cool place. See. See, people are playing with their kids here, hockey. And this is the clock.
Vancouver City Hall is more than just a government building, it's a part of the city's story. Built in 1936, it has witnessed decades of Vancouver's growth and change. What makes it really special is its tall tower, which can be seen from far away, almost like the city is waving to everyone who passes by. The area around it is peaceful, with green lawns and walking paths where people can stop for a quiet moment. It's not only a place where important decisions are made, but also a symbol of community, history, and pride for Vancouver. Visiting City Hall makes you feel connected to the city and its people in a way that's both inspiring and calming. Vancouver City Hall is one of the most meaningful places in Vancouver. When you see the tall tower and the beautiful building, it feels like you're looking at an important part of the city's story. This is the place where the mayor and city council make decisions that shape the future of Vancouver and improve life for the people who live here. The area around the building is calm and green, and many people enjoy walking nearby or taking photos of the historic architecture. Since it is also close to Broadway City Hall Station, many people pass by it every day, and it quietly reminds everyone of the leadership and community that help make Vancouver such a special city.
Yeah, friends, so right now I am standing in front of the statue of George Vancouver, and right beside me, as I mentioned in this video earlier, the clock and everything. So this is the City Hall.
In front of Vancouver City Hall, there is a statue of George Vancouver, the explorer after whom the city of Vancouver is named. He was a British naval officer who explored the Pacific Northwest in the late 1700s and helped map the coastline of this.
See friends, even the beautiful cherry blossoms are there right now in the plants, trees, I mean to say. These are the beautiful cherry blossoms right now here in the trees at Vancouver. See how beautiful it looks. Yeah. And this is the building of the City Hall here in Vancouver. Yeah, the building looks like really well maintained and the area is also clean. And the good thing is that when we talk about like environmental care, so see, there are lots of EV charging, as you can see. So this is the parking area, parking lot, and they have like the EV chargings right there. Yeah. Yeah, friends, I would say that this place is really beautiful. Yeah.
One interesting fact about Vancouver City Hall in Vancouver is that it was built in 1936 and has served as the center of the city's government for many years. The building stands on one of the higher points in Vancouver, which is why its tall tower can be seen from far away. Its unique design and historic importance make it one of the most recognizable landmarks in the city and a symbol of leadership and community for the people of Vancouver.
Yeah, friends. So overall, I would say that I just explored a new place today here in Vancouver, and I just shared the memories with you guys. And according to me, Vancouver is really beautiful. And till next time, see you guys. This was my mini vlog, because usually I make vlogs a little bit longer, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. This one I will try to make it smaller, so it is a mini vlog. See you guys next time. Till then, have a good day.